welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into some quick tips and hacks that can make a big difference in your living space. Whether you're a seasoned DIYer or just starting out, we've got something for everyone. So put on your safety glasses, grab your tool belt, and let's get started. We'll be exploring some simple yet effective tricks that can save you time, money, and frustration. From fixing leaky faucets to hanging pictures like a pro, we'll cover a range of topics to help you tackle those home improvement projects with confidence. Remember, taking care of your home doesn't have to be overwhelming. With a little ingenuity and these helpful hacks, you can transform your living space into the comfortable and functional haven you've always wanted. Let's get started. Let's kick things off with some quick tips and hacks that can make a world of difference in your home improvement endeavors. First up, are you tired of struggling to remove stripped screws? We've all been there, but fear not. A little trick with a rubber band can work wonders. Simply place a rubber band over the screw head and then try unscrewing it with your screwdriver. The rubber band provides extra grip, making it easier to extract that stubborn screw. Next, let's talk about painting. We all know that taping off edges can be a real pain, but it's crucial for those crisp, clean lines. Here's a pro tip. Instead of using regular masking tape, try using painter's tape. It's specially designed to prevent paint bleed through, giving you those professional-looking results. Now, let's say you need to drill a hole in a tile without cracking it. This can be a delicate operation, but there's a simple solution. Before you start drilling, place a piece of masking tape over the area where you'll be drilling. This will help to prevent the drill bit from slipping and potentially damaging your tile. Moving on to clogged drains, a common household nuisance. Before you reach for those harsh chemicals, try this eco-friendly alternative. Pour a cup of baking soda down the drain, followed by a cup of vinegar. Let it fizz for about 30 minutes, then flush with hot water. This natural solution can often clear up minor clogs without the use of harsh chemicals. And finally, let's address squeaky doors. That annoying sound can be easily remedied with a little lubricant. Simply apply some petroleum jelly or WD-40 to the hinges of your door, moving the door back and forth to distribute the lubricant. Voila, no more squeaks. Get ready for some fascinating facts that might just surprise you. Did you know that the average household uses about 100 gallons of water per day? That's a lot of water. But with a few simple changes like fixing leaky faucets and using low-flow shower heads, you can significantly reduce your water consumption. Speaking of water, did you know that a leaky faucet dripping just 1 drop per second can waste over 2,500 gallons of water per year? That's enough to fill a small swimming pool. So fixing those drips not only saves water, but also saves you money on your water bill. Now, let's talk about energy efficiency. Did you know that simply replacing your old incandescent light bulbs with energy-efficient LED bulbs can save you up to 80% on your lighting costs? Plus, LED bulbs last much longer, so you'll be replacing them less often. Here's another interesting fact. The air inside our homes can often be more polluted than the air outside. This is due to factors like dust mites, pet dander, and volatile organic compounds, VOCs, released from cleaning products and furniture. Using natural cleaning products and improving ventilation can help improve your indoor air quality. And finally, did you know that incorporating plants into your home decor can have numerous benefits? Not only do plants add beauty and life to your space, but they also help to purify the air and create a more calming and relaxing atmosphere. Prepare to be amazed by these incredible before and after home improvement transformations. First up, we have a drab and outdated bathroom transformed into a spa-like oasis. With a fresh coat of paint, new fixtures, and some stylish decor, this bathroom went from blah to spartacular. Next, we have a cluttered and disorganized kitchen that underwent a remarkable makeover. By decluttering, reorganizing, and adding some clever storage solutions, this kitchen was transformed into a chef's dream, complete with ample counter space and easy-to-access cookware. Now let's take a look at a dull and uninspiring bedroom that was given a new lease on life. By simply changing the paint color, updating the bedding, and adding some personal touches, this bedroom was transformed into a cozy and inviting retreat. Moving on to the living room, we have a space that was once cramped and cluttered but is now open and inviting. By rearranging the furniture, removing unnecessary items and adding some stylish decor, this living room was transformed into a comfortable and stylish space for entertaining guests or simply relaxing with family. And finally, let's not forget about the exterior of our homes. We have a before and after transformation of a house that went from curb unappealing to the envy of the neighborhood. With a fresh coat of paint, new landscaping, and some stylish outdoor lighting, this house's curb appeal was instantly elevated. Thanks for joining us on this home improvement adventure. We hope you found these quick tips, fascinating facts, and inspiring transformations helpful and motivating. Remember, taking care of your home doesn't have to be overwhelming. With a little creativity and these handy hacks, you can transform your living space into the comfortable, functional, and stylish haven you've always dreamed of. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to our channel for more great content and share it with your friends who might find it helpful. Until next time, happy home improving.